Yes guys, welcome back for the part 2. Yeah man, we're outside now, we're fully outside guys. Yeah man, so the grill is light, so get chicken them on the grill. Yes guys, need that flavor in it, you know what I mean? That is it guys, you don't know it outside. Yeah man. Yes guys, yeah man, welcome back. Check on these chicken, see how they're going. Yeah man, they're looking really nice guys. Slowly but surely, you know what I mean? See what's popping. That is it guys. Come on, stay tuned guys, catch it free and watch how I go on. Don't know we outside here in Dallas, Texas. Yeah man, home away from home, you know what I mean? Yeah man, that is it. Sure guys. Yeah man, we outside man. Fully outside. Here we have a little garden here guys. Some rosemary, some callaloo, yeah man, and some scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah man, that. Yes guys, let's take a look inside. Check on the making some jerk sauce. Yeah man, no joke. It's my jerk sauce guys. Yeah, the rice and peas ready. Over here I have some steamed cabbage guys. Yeah man, joke. I have some fried plantain. Yeah man, so real jerk sauce guys. Yeah man, jerk sauce made from some ketchup, some jerk seasoning. Yeah man, some Walker's with jerk seasoning, soya sauce, some orange juice, yeah, and some Maggi all-purpose, onion, scallion, thyme, and garlic. Yeah man, I blend all of that guys. Your chicken smell really good guys. And here I have some of this jerk sauce. Yeah man, that I add some red stripe to it, spear on the chicken, you know what I mean, keep it moist. Yeah man, and Jose, that is it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for supporting my YouTube channel. Yeah man, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Really appreciate you guys. Just continue to support, like, share, subscribe, drop a comment in that comment section, you know what I mean. Yeah man, and tell a friend to tell a friend, subscribe to the channel and watch the channel, you know what I mean. Yeah man, a lot of good things in store, guys. Yes guys, it's coming along. Yeah man, no joke. Yes guys, no, I can't wait to dig in this jerk chicken. Nice and juicy. Delicious. Cabbage, the jerk sauce, fried plantain, the rice and peas, and the jerk chicken is sell off a bud. This is what I'm talking about. Thank you guys for watching. Yeah man, Flex, I say one love and much respect, you know what I mean. Yeah man, that is it. Real flavor guys, real taste. Wow. Stay tuned, catch it prey, and watch what I go on. Until next time, Flex, I say one love and much respect. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for sharing. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for likes. Thank you for your support. Yeah man, Flex, I say one love and much respect. Keep supporting. Continue to like, share, subscribe, comment to the channel, and I mean, tell me what you think, guys. Delicious man. Until then, peace, one love and much respect.